Okay, so I want this video to start with this, which is me explaining to Ben what the Dunning-Kruger principle is, or at least a simplified version, which is basically the less you know about something, the more you think you know, because you don't know how little you know. And then the more you know about something, the more like shy and like, because you know how little you know in the grand scheme of things. And this is Ben's introduction to a wooden boat. And I think I know what this is about to be, and Ben's gonna find out what this is gonna be. And so whatever happens in this video, I just want to say I told you so. Okay, so that's my disclaimer here. I feel, now Ben can say whatever he wants, because I've spoken my piece, and here we are.
All right, the shop is cleared out. Because enough of you told us not to do it, it's like, what is that called, Harry?
For psychology?
Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna work on an old wooden boat.
I listened to all of you, by the way. I agree. This is bad.
1957 Chris Craft 31 Corsair is on its way from Ohio right now, and it's gonna occupy this space right here, and it's never gonna leave. No, I'm just kidding. All right, it's not supposed to arrive till 7:15 p.m. and it's currently 2:30. So in another video, but that's gonna happen right now, we're gonna install Harry's 357 small block Chevy back in to skipjack. You guys can probably barely see me, but we've been waiting a long time for this boat. The internet told us not to do it, and because enough of you said don't touch it with a 2,000-foot pole, we're gonna touch it. That's right. It is 7:15 p.m., 36 degrees outside, and we're about 15 minutes away from a great big 70-year-old wooden boat rolling into our shop. Just about to go down to the gate and meet him, but you guys see it's dark out. We were saying earlier, if this had been a summer month, there'd be no issues with this right now, but with it being winter, it's just dark. Here they are, going in right on time. Oh my goodness, that is a wooden boat. He's gonna follow me on up to the shop. Oh man. I cannot believe they made it. We got lights and everything. Woo! Oh, look at that rig. So he's gonna come up this hill, around, and then straight into these doors right here. And then the boat's gonna go right over there. Whew. Boys at CNC always getting it done for us. Appreciate you guys, CNC Ventures. Bo, Jeff, Bobby. I'll leave their contact info in the description, but they never say no to a job like this. Gotta love these guys. Look at the old girl. Heck yeah, man. Woo! He made it. And hopefully he can just get her straight in here. Just gotta watch this far side. Oh yeah. No scrapage or anything. Hell yeah. Yep. He got her in. Wow. All right. Gonna move some things around for him. Nice. Huh. Looks pretty good. That was tight. Got as close as we're gonna get. He's going as high as he can go. That way we can put some blocks underneath it.
You're gonna have to glue this in all
Really?
See, Harry, it's smaller than you remember.
You know, now Ben can say whatever he wants because I've spoken my piece, and here we are. Ben's very excited about this.
I'm gonna say nothing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let
that's a first.
Yeah, I'm gonna let the boat speak for itself.
Yeah.
And by that I mean Harry's gonna start talking to himself a lot during this project.
I'm freaking crazy. It's gonna be bad. And anything that you guys are saying in the comments, I'm already thinking. So you don't have to you know, go crazy with this.
I'm gonna be up front. Point the fingers at me, not him. Because
I'm just a guy.
I'm making him do this. Not against his own will.
No, he pays me.
Only kinda.
Yeah.
But Harry did warn me, you guys warned me.
And here we are. So, and on that note,
I'm sorry in advance.
this is lead and paint.
No, don't do that.
Delicious.
Don't
I'm
do
gonna eat all of this just so I don't have to finish it.
I'm not saying anything.
Yeah, I'm not saying anything. All right, get your B-roll here, brother.
It looks pretty underneath the lights.
You look pretty.
We did say earlier that the fact that it made it here all the way from Ohio to Maryland and the hydro trailer didn't blow out the bottom. Optimism, you know.
I was hoping they were gonna pull the stands and it was just gonna go.
Whoosh. I tell you, hey,
Here it is.
when it released from the trailer, it didn't budge a bit.
No, she was straight as an arrow.
Yeah.
Straight as an arrow. A lot of good bronze screws and wood in this thing. To repurpose anything else.
This is just the arrival video, so we will get into the chaos that lies beneath the red paint in the next video when we start working on this thing. There you have it, guys. What have we gotten ourselves into? I love you, Harry.
Love you too.
Thank you. It's 9:15 p.m.
Yeah.
My wife's calling. Uh-oh.